Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Do you want to start a new MSME business or expanding an existing one, or simply want to learn more about how to start a MSME in a variety of industries? Well, then you have come to the right place and you must watch the entire video with us. Do you want to set up your own MSME? If you are ready to start your own business, then consider any of these MSME business ideas. NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation in this ever-changing market. And we have been following a strict system and procedure to ensure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. Today, we will show you some profitable MSME business ideas for startups. 1. E-Waste Recycling Unit. An e-waste recycling unit is an equipment used for processing different kinds of waste generated in electronic, electrical, and communication industries. The global e-waste management market size was valued at $49,880 million in 2020 and is projected to reach $1,43,870 million by 2028, registering a CAGR of 14.3% from 2021 to 2028. E-Waste Recycling Unit is one of the best businesses for entrepreneurs. 2. A2 Dairy Product Manufacturing. The demand for A2 milk is gaining traction among consumers across the globe, owing to the numerous health benefits offered by its consumption, such as boosting immunity, increasing metabolic rate, and promoting mental growth. Although A2 milk has been rapidly gaining popularity worldwide, the market has untapped growth potential in regions with increasing consumption of dairy products, such as India and China. The recent increase in global awareness regarding health has opened up new markets for entrepreneurs in this sector. 3. Bamboo stick production. Production of bamboo stick is an important issue which has been highlighted by experts in almost all spheres, particularly small and medium business. Because bamboo stick is very light but strong, it is used in incense sticks production. This is an excellent opportunity for anyone interested in starting bamboo stick production business. 4. Biodegradable plastic bags manufacturing. Biodegradable plastic bags are important for everyday life, from storing food in your refrigerator or carrying home groceries from your local market. This business has been growing steadily over recent years. The market was valued at USD 2.77 billion in 2020 and is expected to reach USD 8.53 billion by 2026, and with a growth at a CAGR of 20.7%. That's why starting a biodegradable plastic bag manufacturing business can be an incredibly lucrative and rewarding venture for you. 5. Chocolate confectionery business. Chocolate confectionery products are very much in demand in today's time for various reasons, which makes chocolate confectionery business quite profitable. Also, the global chocolate market is projected to witness a CAGR of 4.5% during the forecast period of 2021 to 2026. Starting a small and medium-scale chocolate confectionery business can be an exciting opportunity for entrepreneurs. NIIR Project Consultancy Services can prepare project reports on any business ideas. The project report includes all part of the business from market analysis to confirming the availability of numerous necessities such as equipment and machinery, raw materials, and financial projections. Engineers, project consultants, and industrial consultancy businesses from all over the world have profited from the NPCS project report. NPCS also publishes technical, references, self-employment and startup publications, a directory, company and industry database, and much more, all of which will be found on the official website. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like it. Also, click on the bell icon. Please visit to our website for more information, and you can also reach us at. You can follow us on other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google My Business, ScribeD, SlideShare. Links are given below in the description. So, see you again. Till then, goodbye.